square stock, and it is corner to corner, just over 2 inches. Let's make it 5 inches long. So, 5 inches. Six blocks. So it's 5. That means the middle is 2.5. Diagonal is 2 and a hair over 1/8. So that means we have a mark here, and we have a mark here. Put that into the notch, slide it over. Light, medium, hard, light, medium, hard, and then go this way. Oop. So theoretically, that should be the exact same angle as this. And I think that is pretty decent. I'll take that. Hooray, it is deep enough. So we have 2 notches that fit 2 boxes. 1 done. Got a few more to go. It's right there. One. Way back in that slot. Get that junk out of the middle. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, made them both go in the same direction. Stink. Means you need to go over here. There. Now we've got it. There we go. I love that lid. So there you have it, a star burr. This is a very relatively quick project. It took me about an hour to make. So if you're looking for a last minute Christmas gift, this might be the one. As well as this is a really good project for just extending your skills. You have to put weird layout lines on. There's a lot of accuracy in it and sawing to the line. But the nice thing about it is it has a great tolerance for mess ups. If you're not quite accurate, this will still work. It's got a lot of slop in it, so you can still do it even if things aren't perfect. So it's a great project for stretching your skills. If you have any questions about it, let me know those in the comments down below. I do read through them, I answer them. So thank you for that. It does actually help out the channel anytime you put a comment down below, even if it's something like comment down below. Thank you. It does help us grow, as well as hitting the like, share, subscribe. All of those things help us get in front of more people. And if you want to take it even farther, there are a bunch of wonderful, benevolent, and amazing people over here on the side. Those are all of the patrons on Patreon. Without all of the patrons on Patreon or members here on this channel, we wouldn't exist. If you'd like to find out about that, you can click the little join button down here or go down in the description down below and find the link to Patreon. We do offer special perks for both, and without you guys, we wouldn't be here. We're completely sponsored by you, the viewers. So thank you for that. On that note, I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. And for those of you who don't have kids, this project produces a lot of chips off of the old block.